Here's the next project that I'm working on. I bought these 4 bird statues that I've had for quite a while. The 2 owl ones I believe are too dark, and I want to brighten them up, and I want to add some of my favorite color, green, to them. So I want to lighten up the darker ones, and then I just want to add some green to the gold ones, just to give them more visual interest. So that's what I'm working on today. So let me get my paint out. I'm going to start working on these. The paint I'm going to choose to use is this beautiful olive green. So let's get some in my tray. I'm not going to need that much. Let me pick what size paintbrush I want. Oop. And my glasses. You want to come closer so you can get a better look? Hold on. Okay, there, you're closer. So I think I'm going to get started on these darker ones, since these are the ones that I really wanted to do. But I need to dust them off. They've been on my shelf. And one of the things I don't like doing is dusting. I just want to flick some green paint here and there on it. It's pretty subtle. You know, maybe I should have sanded these first. Can you see it going on there? It's drying pretty quick. Good thing, because I need to hold it down here at the bottom. Let's see. Let's do something. Can you see that? I hope this turns out, because I've been wanting to do this for a while. I feel kind of discombobulated because I haven't worked on a painting project for a while. It's just been, like I said, too hot out here. So I was trying to get all like my planters and stuff done in the springtime to have it ready for summer. And now we just entered September. And of course, here in California, it's still very hot. You like that little owl? Woo-hoo! Don't know where to hold it. All right, let's get some green around the eyes. Green-eyed owl, lovely owl. That was my version of green-eyed lady, lovely lady. I'm gonna have to hit it with some gold, I think, to brighten it up a little bit still. All right, I'm gonna let this one dry and do the other one, and then see what else I want to add to him. So you sit right here and dry, little one. And now it's your turn. All right, I'll continue on and I'll show you my after. Oh, I think this one is the one that I broke because I could see it's shiny back here. I think that's where the glue was. I can't even tell I broke it. I'm glad I got out here when I did, because It's 11:30 and it's starting to get hot. And I have my hair down. That always makes it hotter. Happy little birds. I may end up going in the house and putting my hair up while these are drying. So far, that's what I got. I'm thinking, I wonder if I want to hit these with a little bit of the spray paint. Let's see. That one I put too much on. Now I'm gonna have to really go over him with some of the metal, the gold. Yeah, and then maybe I'll go back over it with that green again. I'm liking that. Feels good to get back out here and create again. I was missing it. It was affecting my happiness. So now I gotta let these dry. Woohoo! You know, while I'm at it, I just saw these sitting there, and I don't want to leave these in this terracotta color. So I don't know what I'll use them for, but I know most likely I'll want them painted. So why not just paint them now too while I got the spray paint out? I knew I should have put a different tablecloth down. But the one that I was using to paint with was just so covered in paint. I'm gonna set these up on something. They were just so covered in paint because I used it so much. Let's see. Let's just give you guys some color while we're at it. I didn't think about just turning the cup. You, my little lovelies. I think my friend gave me these too also. Alright, now we'll let that dry. Woohoo! Anything else need to be painted? Going once? Going twice? Nothing else needs to be painted. Here's the birds, the darker brown ones, and the gold with the green on them so far. So I'm going to do some more with these. You know, I forgot about these. I kind of like how they look with how I didn't cover it all the way up with the paint. You can still see some of the terracotta in there. So maybe I'll hit these up with, I don't know, maybe some darker green stripes and some gold on there. But I forgot about these. So I just saw them sitting up here. So I'm going to put the birds over here. And sit in my chair and work on them. So let's get closer over here. Come on. All right, I think I want to add a different shade of green, maybe a darker green. Not so sure about this one. This one maybe, hunter green? We'll put this one here in case I want to use it too. This is I can't read it. Deep green. It's called deep green. I'm not sure what I want. I just want some darker green throughout here. Let's give you some green eyes back. You want to move closer? You want to come over here? All right, let me move you closer. Hold on, momentito. Okay, how's that? Let's see. So this is the darker green I was putting in there. It looks a bit messy. Oh my goodness. What to do? What to do? Some things when, you know, it doesn't, it's not starting out exactly how I liked it. I just have to work at it a little bit harder. Like this bowl that I did. Ooh, this one. It took me a long time, many different tries to get all those different colors in there. And I wasn't liking it for quite a while. I just kept adding more color and more color. And then I think it's actually beautiful. It's one of my favorite bowls. So I've been waiting to get a beautiful plant to put in here. I don't know what I want. Anyways, but I digress. I was talking about that because this is not coming out the way I want it to. It just means I have to work a little bit harder and keep at it until I get it the way I want it. Don't worry, birdie. I'm going to do something else to you. We'll make you pretty. All right, let's see what we could do to you. I don't know if I was holding this up in the camera for you to see. You want some more green in your eyes? You want some darker green? Maybe I'm overthinking this. It's just going to be sitting on my shelf. I know I'm not going to dislike it anymore. This was what I was wanting, was just to hit it up with splashes of the green here and there. Not such big streaks of it. Just to complement the other green, not overpower it. And the other one, I think I overpowered. I overpowered it. All right, you lovely gold ones. You know, I moved my hummingbird feeder to the back behind my apartment, and I was out doing some hummingbird watching last week. Just doing these birds made me think of it. I just love watching them. I want to get to where they're used to me. And maybe one day they'll sit on my finger. Or at least let me talk to them while they're eating. Well, they do that, but I want to get closer. You want some green eyes? Green-eyed birdie, lovely birdie. Green-eyed birdie, lovely birdie. Green-eyed lady, lovely lady. So far. Just hither and dither. Now this one's coming out more the way I wanted it. So you, lovely lady, are next. Hither and dither. Oh, maybe that's what the bird should be named. Hither and dither. How about some going up the back of your tail? Alright, I think I'm going to add some gold to it. We'll see what's going on with that. In the water you go. I'm trying to find the gold that I've already used. Ah! It was dripping out of here. I don't think I want that much gold. Let's put gold on you. You know, I was wanting to brighten these up because I said they were too dark, and then I put that dark green on them. But maybe hitting them with gold will do the trick. You want some gold in your eyes? Maybe a gold beak. You want a gold beak? You're an owl. Woo-hoo. You. That was my little joke. He looks like he's got a furrowed brow. Oh yeah. I see, I always get happy when I add the gold to it. The sparkle. Let's highlight some of your lines with it. You're looking pretty. See, never give up. Just keep going. Keep adding something different. Let's give you some highlight around here too. Make your eyes sparkle. I'm making it better already. More gold, please. You got it. There you go. Are you getting happier, owl? Who? You. All right, let's put some down here on the base. Now this was what I was wanting. It just took hitting it up with some gold. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. I see, like maybe I want to put some right here on his wing. Right here. Highlight that a little bit more. Hi, cutie. All right. Let's do you. I was trying to think of that song. There's been a hoot owl outside my window now for 6 nights in a row. Coming for me, I know. A wildfire. And she ran calling wild. Wait. She ran calling wildfire. She ran calling wildfire. Oh, what are the other words to it? She ran calling wildfire. There's been a hoot owl outside my window now for 6 nights in a row. She's coming for me, I know. Ooh, loving this gold on your baby. Let's highlight some of your ears. You like that? Does that feel good? Ooh, yeah. Tickle your ears. Ah. I hit your eyebrows. Ooh, let's give you some gold eyebrows. Yeah. A little more around your eyes. Make your eyes sparkle. Ooh, you need some more gold right in here. Don't you? Don't ya? All right, I'll continue on and then I'll show you my finished product. Woohoo! Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a duck driving a truck down by the bay? I was singing that song with my granddaughter the other day when we were video chatting with each other. That was fun. Alright, I'll keep going with this and then I'll show you the after. Woohoo! I'm going to try to add a little yellow in there just to try to brighten it up a little bit. So let's see. Because this little birdie's eye just looks so beady, like a little beady eye. I want to brighten it up. Alright, well that didn't work. I need more yellow. I don't like that either. Birdie. Who knows? I don't like that idea. All right. Did I do you? I think I did. Okay. Do we think these are ready for their clear coats? I think this one might need a little gold on that wing. The fan is drying out my paint. All right, let's see. This, what am I touching? All right, it's your breastbone. It looks kind of dull. At least when I get you in the camera. When I look at you right here, it doesn't look that dull. This one looks pretty in the camera. So much better than that dark brown that they were. And here's these. I love these just when they were gold, but I love having this green in them now. All right, I think they're ready to get hit with the clear coat. I just went to go get my spraying table ready to put the clear coat on, and then I saw these over there. So let me do something to these since I have my paint out. Since I have the dark green, we'll hit it up with some dark green. Hither and dither. The hither and dither method of my painting, I was gonna say it's so easy, but actually sometimes it's not. It does, I guess it does take a little finesse because you can just blotch it on there at times, which I do get blotchy and I have to fix it. So it does take a little finesse. I don't have any certain thing planned for these little ones. So maybe they'll just sit out here in the garage. But you know, sometimes that's how things happen. And then I'll buy a plant or have a cutting, and then I'll go, I know. I have the perfect pot for that out in the garage. Or for a gift. I'll go, I know. I have a perfect pot for that out in the garage. This is so little, I have no idea what I would ever do with it. Besides paint it. What could go in here? What would you use this tiny little pot for? All right, time to hit you up with some gold. Gold. The fan is drying out my paint. Let's see. Oops, that was a blotch. Oh yeah, it's always better with gold. It's becoming a happy pot. The more gold, the more happier it becomes. All right, now you little baby. Me? Do I get gold too? Yes. Yes, you do. You're the little mini-me of the other pot. More gold, please. You got it. You little cutie patootie. Try to use up the paint that I have left so I don't waste it. Sit right there. All right, these are ready to get hit with some clear coat. Rocks in the treetop all day long, hopping and a-bopping and singing a song. All the little birds on Jaybird Street love to hear the robin go sweet, sweet, sweet. That bird heard me. I want a lazy Susan that I could use for painting. Okay, let me let these dry, and then I'll probably hit them with one more coat, and then they'll be done. Woohoo! All right, I just went and got my birds out of the garage. They have 2 coats of the clear coat on them, and this is how they turned out. I love them so much. I think they're so pretty. And then the terracotta pots that I painted, I just set the bird on top of it right now because I thought, what am I going to do with these pots? And then when I set the bird on it, I thought, oh, that's what they could be. These little stands for the birds. I love these so much. I love how they turned out. What do you think? Oops, I almost dropped my camera.
I also went to the Goodwill today because I haven't been since COVID-19, so what, going on 2 years? And I picked up these cute little items they were, housewares were like 3 something a piece. This, I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I just loved it. And this I thought would be a nice plant stand or something. It's very heavy. And I just love this little wooden box. It's very heavy too. I thought I could use it to put plants in or something. And then a couple of other nice things. What I'm really excited about is I found this plant stand that I'll probably use for outside. And this cute little picnic basket. It actually has, I think it's for like wine, but I don't drink. But I thought, oh, maybe I could just use it for, I can't lift the lid up with just one hand. Oh my goodness. There. And it has cups in it. And it has the napkins in there. I thought it was so cute. And it was only $3 something. The plant stand, I think, was like $13. But I'm still so happy with it because I would have probably paid, I don't know, like 30 something for it. But that's my find. And then I found some clothes too.
Thanks for joining me on this episode of Sunny Days with Dawn.